Klover and Grid both advertise cash advance features, but the amount you can actually access depends on your eligibility, account activity, and each app's approval process, rather than a single advertised limit. By the end, you'll know how Klover and Grid compare, what determines your available advance, and which app may be the better fit for your situation. Klover offers cash advances based on its own eligibility requirements and account review process. Your available advance can change over time as the app evaluates your activity and linked account information. Grid also provides cash advance features, but it uses its own eligibility rules. That means two people with similar incomes may not receive the same advance amount because individual account details matter. The biggest mistake is assuming the maximum amount promoted by an app is what every user receives. In practice, your approved limit is based on the information the provider verifies. If you're deciding between the two, start by checking each app's current eligibility requirements before creating an account. That gives you a better idea of whether you qualify without making assumptions. Another difference is how each app reviews your account. Both services generally require you to connect a supported bank account and complete identity verification before determining your available advance. If the verification process cannot confirm your information, your available advance may be reduced, or you may not qualify until the issue is resolved. Neither Klover nor Grid guarantees the same advance amount for every customer. The available limit can increase or decrease depending on your account history and whether you continue meeting the provider's requirements. When comparing them, focus on more than the headline limit. Look at the eligibility rules, repayment process, account requirements, and whether your bank is supported. Those factors have a bigger impact on your experience than the advertised maximum. If your goal is simply getting the highest possible advance, apply only after understanding the provider's requirements, and make sure your banking information is accurate and up to date. The key points are straightforward. Klover and Grid both offer cash advances. Neither provides the same limit to every user, and your approved amount depends on your verified account information and eligibility. Your next step is to compare each app's current requirements and choose the one that best matches your banking setup and financial needs. If this comparison helped you make a more informed decision, like the video and subscribe for more practical app comparisons.